My name's Samantha, I'm from Florida, and I'm going to be your math teacher this year.
Hello everyone, my name is Denise, and I am Miss Samantha's assistant. We've been working together for 5 years.
Welcome to the Algebra class. This is going to be one of the 6 math credits you need to earn in order to receive your high school diploma. So in doing the work with our class, that will be one of the credits you need.
Okay, so let's learn more about your class.
Oh, hey, you caught me working on my e-learning. Because of COVID-19, school's going to look a little different this quarter. Instead of being able to come into this awesome classroom to do your learning, instead, all our learning is going to happen on Google Classroom. What school's going to look like this quarter is that you still are going to have class 4 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but instead of coming into the building to do your learning, it's all going to happen online. Every day, we're going to start the class off with a 10-minute video chat on Google Meet to check in with you guys, see how you're feeling about all the lessons, and give you an opportunity to ask us any questions. Next, there's going to be a 30-minute video that I upload of that day's lesson, going over new material and some example problems. And then the last part of the day is going to be a 30-minute homework assignment for you to do to give us an opportunity to check to see where you're at with the material and if there's a way we can help you better while you're doing your learning at home. We understand that doing school online isn't what you signed up for, and it can be a little intimidating or difficult at first, so please know that we are here to help you. Even if you feel like your question is silly, please reach out to us, whether it be technical issues, where you find something on Google Classroom, any questions you have. We are here for you 100%, and we know you got this.
As we get adjusted to our e-learning, here are a few expectations that you might want to follow. Number 1, students should check their email and Google Classroom daily. Number 2, join all Google Meets on time. Number 3, stay up to date on assignments. 4, be respectful to others in person and virtually. And number 5, mistakes and questions are part of e-learning. Hey students, hear the bell. That's the last call for class to begin. Well, you won't be hearing anything like that on e-learning, but attendance is so important in order for you to be a successful student. So I want to remind you 3 ways for you to be counted as present for each day. First, you have to sign your daily attendance sheet, which will be provided to you in the future. You have to join the 10-minute Google Meets daily. And number 3, complete today's assignment. So remember, sign, join, complete.
Hello, Miss Denise.
Well, hello, Susanna. Welcome to tutoring.
Thank you. So, as you know, I got a 70 on my last test score. So I need some help on division. So I came here for tutoring.
Okay, well, so we're so glad to have you. Have a seat.
Thank you. Really hoping to get my grades up. Yes.
Tutoring is such an important part of the DORS program. It gives the teachers an opportunity to support the students. We will support you with tutoring daily, 2 times each day while we're doing e-learning. And then once a week on Fridays, we will have in-person tutoring. One thing about that is because of all of the COVID restrictions, you are required to pre-register in order to allow you to get into the building. But please don't let that stop you, because we'll be here waiting for you. Also remember that tutoring is an extra opportunity for you to practice. So So it's a very safe environment. Mistakes are welcomed. Mistakes are expected. But again, practice, practice, practice. So hopefully we'll see you at tutoring.
Susanna, I got great news for you. So I know 2 weeks ago when we assessed you on division, you were at a 70%. But I also know you've been working really hard to improve how well you understand the concept. And when we reassessed you yesterday on division, you had brought it up to a 90%.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, you improved.
Oh.
So I'll make sure I change your grade in the grade book to reflect where your understanding is now.
Oh, thank you so much. I can't believe it. Oh, I worked so hard.
Yes, you have. Grading at Crystal House DORS is a little different than probably what you're familiar with. Here we use something called standard space grading, which means your grade is made up of how well you've mastered different learning objectives for each class. It's important to master these so that you're ready for the next class. The great thing about standard space grading is that you're given multiple opportunities to show us how well you know things. We know that quizzes, tests, assessments can all be scary, but if you have multiple opportunities, it's less scary. So for example, if the first time we assess you, you're at a 70%, you are given the option to work harder, to practice more, and then at a later time, if you're able to show us you understand it better, we can bring up your grade. The purpose of grading is for the grades to show where your understanding is right now, not where it was a month ago. Welcome, Crystal House DORS students. We are so happy to have you here in our math class.